Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to find hidden apps on iPhone. Let's get started. So first, you can use the search bar. Swipe down on your home screen and type the app's name in the search bar and it will appear if installed. And also you can check the app library. Swipe left past all the home screen until you reach the app library. Hidden apps are still there, sorted by category or searchable. And also, you can check hidden home screen pages. Long press the home screen and tap the dots at the bottom and see if any app pages are unchecked. Recheck to make them visible. And you can also check the restrictions. Go to the settings and click the screen time, and here select content and privacy restriction and click allowed apps to see if apps are hidden through restrictions. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.